Good evening. I'm David Radford, Chairman of the Roanoke County Board of Supervisors. On behalf of my colleagues on the board, Vice Chair Phil North, Supervisors Martha Hooker, Paul Mahoney, and Jason Peters, I'd like to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday Season. As we prepare to illuminate this symbol of the season, I'm reminded of the importance of light even in the darkest months of the year. No doubt 2020 has been challenging, but the citizens of Roanoke County have shone brightly through their resilience, adaptation, and acts of kindness through these difficult times. My holiday season is always brightened by the memories and traditions forged in childhood. Every year on Christmas Eve, we would travel to Mama and Papa's house for a potluck gathering with many sets of aunts and uncles, each of them with several kids. It was a house full. My cousins and I would exchange gifts based on names drawn the year before, and everybody was in a joyful mood, and I can almost smell the home cooking. It was truly a magical time. This year's celebration may be a bit different, with smaller gatherings and virtual gift exchanges. My family is carrying on many of our traditions in modified ways. I'm thankful for my mother and father, Frank and Mary Radford, who have blessed me with such happy memories. I'm also thankful for my wife Lisa, son Tim, daughter Hannah and her fiance Frank, and son Ben and his wife Carrie, who are expecting their first child in March of 2021. Even though we can't invite the whole community to this event, I've invited a few of my family members to help us count down the ceremonial lighting of the tree together. I hope we'll all join me now to carry on this community tradition at home or wherever you are. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Isn't it beautiful? We could all use a little more light in our lives. So today, let's celebrate and be thankful for successes in the past year and with an eye to the bright future ahead of us. As a child, I remember coming home from that family dinner on Christmas Eve. My siblings were in the car. We were excited for the 20-minute ride back. We knew we had to get home to get into bed before Santa arrived. Every year, one of us always swore we saw a sleigh being pulled behind by reindeer somewhere in the sky. I hope that you and your families continue some of those old traditions this year, and maybe even a few new ones, like a trip to Illuminate at Explorer Park. And every time you drive by this intersection of 419 and Route 220 next to Tanglewood Mall, I hope you'll see this beacon of light and rekindle some of your own Christmas memories. Who knows? You may just see Santa himself passing by. Thank you and have a blessed holiday season.